Hi, if you have been either suffering from loose, badly damaged teeth or ill-fitting dentures that have been preventing you from appreciating the simple pleasures of life, or you have been rejected dental implant treatment due to less bone volume, or if the cost of dental implant treatment in your native country is bothering you, then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Dr. Sharda, Director, LBR Dental and Implant Center. We are located in Hyderabad, India. A single visit of a week to 10 days is what it requires to get a desired smile of your choice and completely functional teeth. India, with world class amenities, affordability, and service quality, has become a premier destination for people all around the world to attain a best in class dental treatment. Every year, thousands of people travel from abroad to get dental treatments like aligners, zoom bleaching, or fixed teeth on implants, or full mouth rehabilitation. For patients looking for dental treatment, India provides excellent care at incredibly low cost because of currency value disparity. The treatments in India are 60 to 80% lower than what they are for the similar procedures overseas. Internationally accredited dental facilities, highly qualified doctors, no waiting list, and English speaking support staff, along with an opportunity to explore the mystic destinations in India, make India an attractive haven for dental tourists. Hyderabad, also known as the Pearl City, is the capital of Telangana, or southern state of India. It is known for its opulent past and flourishing present. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, present in Hyderabad, being the fourth busiest airport in India, has flight connectivity to all the major cities across the world. And New York Times has featured Hyderabad in its first 41 must-see places around the world. LBR Dental and Implant Center, headed by Dr. K.A. Reddy, is considered as an advanced center for immediate loading of dental implants. Dr. K. Reddy, widely recognized as a leading implantologist in India, has taken care of multitude of people to regain their confidence and self-regard. Dr. K. Reddy is highly experienced in managing very complex cases that other doctors fail to rehabilitate. He has managed many life-changing surgeries and replaced teeth in 3 days, especially for people who have lost their entire upper jaw owing to the complication of COVID, that is black fungus. Such groundbreaking surgeries took place at LBR Dental and Implant Center in Hyderabad under his leadership. Here at LBR, we do fixed teeth replacement on basal implants, that is the single piece implants, or the conventional implants, that is the two piece implants. The concept of fixed teeth in 3 days is because we utilize the basal bone for osseointegration. Basal bone is present in all, irrespective of the amount of bone loss or the intensity of the infection. That means fixed teeth on implants is possible even for chronic smokers and diabetic patients too. With the help of tuberopterygoid implants, that is the implants that are placed in the tuberosity region. This tuberosity region is present behind the third molar or the wisdom tooth of the upper arch. Okay, these implants help avoid time-taking and expensive procedures like sinus lift or sinus augmentation. Okay, these sinus lifts or augmentation not only increase the treatment time but also forbid the immediate loading of implants. In very low bone cases, that is where the bone volume is very less, we can use the zygoma implants or the cheek implants to replace the teeth immediately. By avoiding sinus lift and sinus augmentation, one is not losing anything except the pain and agony associated with it. The concept of permanent teeth in 3 days is specifically beneficial for overseas patient, as a single visit of a week or 10 days is what is required to get the teeth of their choice. Coming to conventional or two-piece implants. Immediate loading of teeth is also possible in all on 4 or all on 6 concept too, with few exceptions where we provide provisional dentures immediately after placing the implants, and they have to come back after 6 months for permanent replacement of teeth. In such cases, 2 visits of 1 week each with a time warp of 6 months is what is required. Now, let me explain the simple steps involved to get the treatment at LBR Dental and Implant Center, Hyderabad. Go to our website and fill in the enquiry form. Okay. In case you have a panoramic X-ray or a full mouth X-ray, you please send it to us, because that will enable us to understand your situation better and give you a definite treatment plan and the treatment cost involved. Do not worry if you don't have an X-ray. We'll take it after you come here. In such cases, we'll give you a ballpark figure, and after checking the X-ray, we'll give you a definite quote before the commencement of the treatment. So after you fill in the inquiry form, our team will contact you and arrange for a customized chat or conversation with Dr. Reddy, where he'll explain you the treatment plan and the treatment cost without any hidden charges. Once you are satisfied with the treatment plan and the cost, please apply for a visa and book your tickets. Once you land at the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad, you will be escorted to your stay by an English-speaking chauffeur, and we have a good range of hotels in the vicinity of the clinic, which start from around $40 per day. The price list of the hotels is mentioned in the website. You can just go through them. You'll be picked from the hotel the very next day and escorted to the center, where you'll be clinically assessed by Dr. K.A. Reddy, and necessary radiographs will be taken. The treatment will commence the subsequent day. Any treatment requiring fixed teeth on implants will not take more than 5 days, but it is advisable to stay for 10 days for follow-ups. Okay, and in the meanwhile, you will be escorted to the local sightseeing places in and around Hyderabad. After the follow-ups, you will be chauffeured back to the airport. Now, let me brief on the frequently asked questions. The first one being, do I need a visa? Yes, you do. Please apply for a medical visa, for which we'll provide you with the required documents. The next one, which airport do I fly to? It is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. It is the fourth busiest airport in India, and it has excellent connectivity with all the major cities around the globe. The next one being, will the flight timings matter for pickup and drop off? Not at all. You book your flights according to your convenience and mail us the details. We'll arrange airport transfers regardless of the timings. The next one being, what am I supposed to do once I land at the airport? Once you exit the airport, our manager will be standing there exactly at the exit point with a placard that reads your name. The next question being, where is your center located? We have two branches in Hyderabad, the main branch being located in the heart of the city called Madhapur. It is in close vicinity to major hotels, shopping malls and other tourist attractions. The next question being, can I pay by credit card? Yes, you can. We accept all credit cards. If you wish to get treatment done at LBR Dental and Implant Center, Hyderabad, you please mail us at lbrdentalimplants@gmail.com, or you can contact us on +91 9849 008623. Thank you.